Alright guys, so this is another video. It's a continuation of the last one. I'll make it real short and quick. On the last one, we had one issue. It was a fact that we could know if something was near, um, far, or in the middle of that. But now the issue was we didn't know the exact position of it. That's when we get this LCD screen hooked up to the sensor, and it actually displays the exact distance something is away from this sensor. So, in the next video, I will be combining both circuits so that you have an idea of what, how, if it's close, far, or in between that, with the colors, which I have here, the different LEDs, and I will actually have the distance in case you're trying to know how far something is. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave any feedback down below. Let me know if you'd like to watch another one of these.